Hello everyone, welcome back to Fab Chinese. Today we'll be talking about the sounds of yi, e versus yu, yu. So when you pronounce yi, your mouth is basically flat and with your teeth shown. And when you pronounce e, you feel like your strength is coming out through the teeth gap. So like this. E. And then with yu, your mouth is rounded, and then when you pronounce it, you almost feel like your strength is concentrated on the front part of your mouth, like this. So let's look at some examples of these two sounds, and then compare the differences. First, 一言 寓言一言寓言公益公寓公益公寓意见遇见意见遇见移民渔民移民渔民遗传渔船遗传渔船颜料原料颜料原料 Okay, thanks for watching as always. Please find us on Facebook and YouTube and support us. Your encouragement will be our motive of creating more content for learning Chinese. So thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.